How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today in this episode we have a 2017 Dodge Challenger. Today we want to work on this car. We want to replace the headlight bulbs, and in this case he's running the stock 9012 bulb. I'm gonna show you how to replace these bulbs and put some LEDs, and we don't have to wait until it gets dark for the actual installation, but I'm gonna show you how to replace them and the before and after with the stock ones and with the aftermarket LEDs. And we're gonna start it as soon as it gets dark. So that's how the headlight, put the light on, the stock ones. It's pretty okay, but let me go ahead and start the installation, and I'm gonna show you how they look with the new LEDs. Same LEDs that I have on my RAV4 9012. They're gonna fit right in this Challenger. So we're gonna start with the driver's side. In order for you to remove the headlight bulbs, first you have to remove this panel and just pull it. Move it out of the way, and then here inside, if you can see right there, you have the cover. Twist it to the left, and you're gonna have access to the bulb. It's really limited the space in there, but I'm gonna try to remove it and then show you after I remove it. If you go here on the passenger side, you have to put your hand way in there and just move the bulb, turn it, and then you're gonna be able to release it. It's kind of hard to film, to put the camera in there, but we get it out. And I decided to start first with the passenger side just because it was really tight in there. So let me remove the bulb. Bulb is being removed. Let me just find the right spot to put it on, twist it, and connect it. That's how it looked connected. It was really easy to do, but really hard to get to it. That's why I couldn't film it. Already plug in, and I'm just gonna try to turn the lights on, see how it looks in comparison with the one on the driver's side. That's the LED, really bright, and that's the stock one. You can tell the difference right away on the lighting output. You see right there, on the left, the stock one, on the right, the LED. A lot brighter, and it looks really good. So let me go ahead and put the other one, which I didn't record because it's really hard to get to. Hopefully this episode helped you. I was trying to get the installation like on detail. You have to reach in there just to try to remove the bulb. Once you remove it, you're gonna be able to put the other one really easy. It didn't took me too long to put that one, but like I said, really hard to film in there. So let me put the other one, and you're gonna see the difference on the new LEDs. On the driver's side, once you remove the bulb, in this case, this one has black cables. So this little thing to hold the connector in place is gonna be not with this one, is gonna be the other way around. So the positive is on this side, negative is on this side. Gotta go this way. Plug it in first because you don't have enough room once you put the headlight bulb. Let's put the headlight bulb. What do you guys think? Super bright. You see now the difference between these lights and the stock ones. You can see the output of the light over there, how bright it is now. It's amazing what an LED can do for your car. See that? Let's put the cover back on. This thing looks really good. I have some problems with the GoPro. I think it needs an update. I haven't used it in so long, but hopefully everything checked out well. I'm gonna wait until I edited this episode to see if it works really well. But that's the difference. That's LEDs against the regular bulbs, and this is a lot brighter. Let me turn the high beams again. You can see there, high beams, they have a lot more visibility with them. So that's all I have for this episode, guys. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.